Hey everyone, today I'm super excited to introduce you to a game changer in the world of electric shavers, the Philips Norelco Series 9000, model S998785. But let's just call it our new best friend. First off, let's talk about those NanoTech Precision blades. These babies are coated with titanium and promise an incredibly sharp and smooth shave every single time. Imagine waking up in the morning and your face feels as smooth as a baby's bottom. That's what this shaver delivers. Now, the 8D ContourDetect heads are like something out of a sci-fi movie. They follow every contour of your face, making sure they catch every hair without pulling or snagging. No matter the angle, this shaver's got your back, or should I say, your face. Cleaning this bad boy is a breeze thanks to the SmartClean PLUS system. It cleans, lubricates, and charges the shaver, so you can just sit back and relax. And with 60 minutes of shaving time after just a 1-hour charge, you can say goodbye to mid-shave power outages. Plus, there's a 5-minute quick charge feature for those last-minute emergencies. The digital user interface is sleek and keeps you in sync with your shaver. Add in the wireless charging stand and the beard trimmer attachment, and you've got a shaver that's versatile and convenient. Whether you prefer a wet or dry shave, this shaver is 100% waterproof, so go ahead and shave in the shower if that's your thing. Folks, the Philips Norelco Series 9000 is more than just a shaver. It's like having a personal grooming assistant. With its ease of use, high performance, and durability, it's going to revolutionize your shaving routine. If you're looking to treat yourself and start each morning with a perfect shave, this is the shaver for you. Make your next shave a game changer. All right, folks, now it's time to move on to our next product. And let me tell you, it's a game changer too. Introducing the Bronze Series 9, model 9390cc. This bad boy is about to take your shaving game to a whole new level. Let's start with the synchrosonic technology. With 40,000 cutting actions per minute, these blades are like a finely tuned orchestra, delivering a shave that's as smooth as silk. Say goodbye to those pesky missed hairs. This shaver catches them all. And check out the 10D flex head. It moves in 10 different directions, hugging every contour of your face like it was custom made for you. It's like having your own personal shaving assistant, ensuring a close and comfortable shave every time. Now let's talk about convenience. The clean and charge station takes care of everything: cleaning, lubricating, drying, and charging your shaver with just the touch of a button. And with 60 minutes of shaving time on a full charge, you'll have more than enough juice to tackle even the bushiest of beards. But wait, there's more. The precision trimmer is perfect for shaping your beard or tackling those hard-to-reach areas. And whether you prefer a wet or dry shave, this shaver can handle it all. Plus, it comes with a premium leather travel case, so you can take it with you wherever you go. Folks, the Bronze Series 9 is not just a shaver, it's a shaving experience. With its cutting-edge technology, ease of use, and premium features, it's going to revolutionize the way you shave. So if you're ready to elevate your grooming routine to the next level, this is the shaver for you. Trust me, you won't be disappointed. All right, folks, now let's dive into our next product, the Panasonic Arc 5, model ES-LV95S. Trust me, this one's a real game changer in the world of electric shavers. First off, let's talk about those 5 ultra-sharp nano-polished blades. They're like precision instruments, delivering an incredibly smooth and close shave every time. Say goodbye to those annoying stubbles. This shaver gets the job done right. And check out the Multiflex 2D head. It moves in 2 different directions, adapting to the contours of your face for a shave that's as comfortable as it is close. It's like having your own personal barber right at home. Now, let's talk convenience. The automatic cleaning and charging station takes care of everything: cleaning, charging, and maintaining your shaver with just the touch of a button. Plus, with 45 minutes of shaving time on a full charge, you'll have more than enough power to get through your morning routine. But wait, there's more. The built-in pop-up trimmer is perfect for grooming your sideburns or tackling those hard-to-reach areas. And whether you prefer a wet or dry shave, this shaver can handle it all. Plus, it's 100% waterproof, so you can even use it in the shower if that's your thing. Folks, the Panasonic Arc 5 is not just a shaver, it's a shaving experience. With its cutting-edge technology, ease of use, and premium features, it's going to revolutionize the way you shave. So, if you're ready to take your grooming routine to the next level, this is the shaver for you. Trust me, you won't be disappointed. All right, if you're as excited as I am about the Panasonic Arc 5, drop a comment below and let me know. Stay tuned for more awesome products coming your way.